There's a reason so many people end up buying out their Honda lease, and it's not just because they like the car. You really have 3 real options at the end of your Honda lease. You can return it, you can start a new lease, or you can buy it. And for a lot of Honda drivers, that third option ends up being the smartest one. Here's why. Every lease comes with something called residual value. That's the price your car was estimated to be worth at the end of your lease. And that number was locked in when you first signed the contract. But here's the interesting part. Honda vehicles tend to hold their value really well. Models like the Civic, Accord, CR-V, and others are known for reliability, long lifespans, and strong resale demand. So when your lease ends, you're often in a situation where you already know the car. You've taken care of it, and the buyout price is likely competitive with the market. But if you hand the car back, you're suddenly dealing with mileage overage fees, wear and tear charges, and disposition fees. Individually, the fees might not seem that big, but as anyone who's been to a dealership knows, they'll stack the fees up incrementally, and it'll likely be a lot more than you'd hoped you'd be paying to lose your car. Of course, you can start over and lease a new car, which isn't always bad, but you're resetting everything. New terms, new payment, new agreement, and you walk away from a car you already know and trust. So if neither of those sounds good, a buyout might be the best choice. Buying out your Honda is pretty straightforward. You pay the residual value, taxes and fees, and the car becomes yours. And with the right type of financing, it's a great option for a lot of people. You just need to make sure you secure a good loan, and that's where Lease comes in. Because a lot of people will buy out their lease at the dealership. The problem is the dealership is only going to show you one loan, one rate, one monthly payment. And the default dealership loan might not be as good as other loans out there. And here's what most people don't realize. You don't have to finance your buyout through the dealership. Lease buyout loans can come from banks, credit unions, or online lenders. And when you increase your options, you're likely able to find a better deal on buying your car. Of course, actually finding and comparing those options takes work. You've got to get your payoff from Honda Financial and find lenders that handle lease buyouts. You've got to apply to multiple places and compare everything. It's doable, but it takes a lot of time. Plus, these financial institutions don't really know you beyond the paperwork, so there's a chance they might be able to give you a better deal with an intermediary they trust. Instead of you doing all that manually, Lease helps you see your buyout price clearly, compare multiple lenders in one place, and understand what your best option actually looks like. So if your Honda lease is ending, don't just go to the default dealership option. Look at all your options, because the right decision could save you money or cost you thousands if you don't look closely.
Lease End. End your lease, keep your car.